And rightly worried there, Henry, because that's gone into those stands. Mighty blow, mighty hit, going with the spin.
Adil Raja's looking for a beer at the moment. Oh, we've got it back. I didn't think we'd get that back. And once again he goes, this time straight down the ground. And this is halfway up the hill. Obviously has a train to catch.
29.
Well, this will land almost the exact spot as the last one. I'm not sure if there's a catch being taken there. Oh, it's gone again. This one's in the press box. And halfway up the side screen. 66.66, so that's 24 off 5 balls.
What? Here we go. That's gone. Down the other side now. And he's... Now, where is he going to try and put this? Raja to him. Down he goes. He finishes it with another 6. So that's it. Shahid Afridi goes to 55 not out from just 80.